This is the drawing of the Towhee that was at the end of our book, Tata, the Tataviam Towhee. And I wanted to show you how to make your own pigments from beginning to end. First, we look in our area for stones that are colorful and soft. Then we want to test them by rubbing them on something hard like a rock or a tile. You can kind of see the tones differently on a light surface or a dark surface. But if you rub a stone pretty hard and it gives you a powder that comes off on your finger, you know that that's a good stone for paint. Next, we want to grind up the rocks in a mortar and pestle. And now we're ready to make our picture. This is going to be something like finger painting or drawing with your fingers. Just take some of the pigment and rub it on the paper to start to form the shape of your Towhee bird. A bird shape is pretty easy. It's basically two circles, an oval for the body and a smaller circle for the head. So now we'll make charcoal from this little stem of willow. First thing that we have to do is take all the leaves off. If you just pull backwards, they'll come off. And then we want to peel it. So when you get a good amount, then we want to cut them so that they're going to fit inside our little metal box. So find the length and make sure it's going to fit. Yay! I have a nice little fire going, and I put my tin on a spoon and dropped it in the flames to cook. So here we are the next morning. Let's see what happened. Now we can use our homemade charcoal to draw on a few details on the Towhee. Keep it simple. Just start with the feet and sketch them in lightly. You can always blend or erase, it's pretty forgiving.